Yo, what's happening? Um, these last few weeks for me have been a bit crazy, to be honest. About 3 weeks ago, my granddad sadly passed away, so I've been having to go sort all of that stuff out, which means I haven't had a lot of time in the workshop. Um, so I do apologise to my customers that I'm a bit behind. It's not been a great year for me, but we're getting through it. So what I have been working on is Frank Shovelhead over here. This is just about fabbed up now. All I've got to try and do is make some fancy footboards for it. That was a bit camp. I've also got to mount the rear of the tank. We're fitting a Triumph tank to this. It's very controversial, I know. Obviously, it's not designed to fit this, so I've had to make a new front mount. I've got to lift the back of the tank up a little bit, so I'm going to have to make an infill panel and then a mount and then move the fuel taps. Behind me is Aris's lovely bike. We've got the rear wheel in properly. It's got the Softail caliper on there. I love using these. They're a 4-piston caliper. Easy to mount, super clean. They fit in between the frame rails. You don't even notice it. And it gives you a hell of a good back brake. City bars on, rear mudguards on, not a fender. Fenders make music. Might have upset some people with that, but hey ho. Motor is stripped. Barrels are getting Cerakoted. Cylinder heads are getting vapor blasted. We're going to put some nice brass accents on this bike. A little bit of engraving on it as well. So stay tuned to watch this turn into a bit of a show bike, if I'm honest. The Posh James's bike is going back on the ramp end of the week. Just waiting to get Frank's off the bench. So I'm going to spend some time on that today. And then I've got a Softail frame come in last week for my friend Steve. And we're going to make it not Softail anymore. Going to make it rigid. So stay tuned to watch me cut that frame in half and make it go from a comfortable bike to a uncomfortable bike. But it will look cooler. So, can't have it all, can you? But yeah, stay tuned and I'll do some videos on the Softail build and a little bit more on Frank's bike and Aris's as we go on. So yeah, thanks for watching.